Hi guys, so I've been really excited now about reversing engines. So I've been looking to see what I can do. So I found what they call a slip eccentric, and I'd like to try that. So I'm going to build an engine with a slip eccentric to see if it works. Hi guys, so every time I do an engine, I'll show you more or less 10 clips of making the flywheel or everything else. And I think it's good to show that so they can see how it's all done, or as much as I can show you. There are some differences in some of the things I make. So just enjoy and thank you for watching. So guys, I'm going to make a flywheel for this engine I'm doing, because I think this particular flywheel can just stick on with the super glue. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to face it off and make it a thinner flywheel. I don't want a really thick fat flywheel anymore. So guys, that's worked out really well. I'm so pleased with it. I mean, I didn't think I could do that that good anyway. So I'm pleased with that. So there's the difference in my flywheel for the first time. So guys, as you can see, I've cut it off. I've turned it round and locked it in. So I won't be videoing everything I do on this side. I'll just video a few things. As you can see guys, I got quite a bit there I want to chop off, so I thought I'll leave a little legs there in case I need to put a grub screw. I'm not sure yet. Okay, haven't made up my mind. So guys, that's it there. I left that there like I said in case I want to put a grub screw. I'm not sure at the moment.